Welcome to American Junkyard Dog. Today we will be removing an alternator from a 2010 Subaru Forester. First, we want to remove the 10mm bolt holding the belt guard in place. Remove the 12mm bolt for the power cable fixed to the alternator. Make sure to disconnect the power cable from the battery before removing the alternator power cable from the alternator. Sometimes this alternator ECU clip is a bit tight and tough to remove. You may need a screwdriver to press the tabs on the clip to be able to remove it. Now remove the two 12mm alternator mounting bolts. Sometimes these bolts get a bit corroded and struggle to release with the weight of the alternator. Days when you need to beat a tool to get it to work. Can you spot the tool? Let me know in the comments. With both bolts and belt removed, just give the alternator a bit of a wiggle and pull, some elbow grease, and just like that, you removed the alternator from the vehicle. You are now ready to install a new alternator or use this used one in the next vehicle. Like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to American Junkyard Dog for more scrapyard removals. Thank you for watching.